This is test. What is there?
Let's take 65th Street, Brooklyn.
I'm gonna do 10 minutes again. If it's not, we have to look for other solution. Maybe you have to we have to work it out, some solution. If this is not work, like we have to bring the car to them or to us here, and then we have to open it and see what's going on. Maybe one of the module is not working well or something, but it's impossible for two. I'm giving 10 minutes again.
Yeah. Huh? Right, to an authorized Ford dealer. Huh? I'll take the key and they can program it and figure it out. You think I'm letting you guys rip this car apart to figure out how to fucking download a fucking key? No. Just give me the key you got. There's no way I'm letting you hear that. Oh, you dropped the car off to us here and I'm going to take it apart. No. I'm good with the sideshow fucking act.
This is bad. It's getting this car. Nothing was that bad.
You bring this car here for them to rip it apart, it will be worse than that.
I don't want to start opening anything because I don't know what is your schedule is.
Yeah, I mean, what do you got to rip open?
We don't know. We just start looking at all the wires, everything connected well. What happened? Why it doesn't want to accept programming? And then look, you know.
Because I mean, the key you cut. I mean, it fits in the ignition. It turns it on. It just doesn't take the thing.
Yeah, it doesn't take the programming.
I mean, when you do a diagnostic check, doesn't it tell you if there's anything? Does it tell you?
It give me like the key is not taken by the car. You know, like the key was programmed, it doesn't taken by the car.
So when you do
it could be the keys, and he say maybe the key is bad or the the path module, you know, the anti-theft module that taking the signal and keep it. Maybe something wrong there, but they
Yeah,
didn't.
but if there was something wrong with that, this key wouldn't work either.
But here's what happened. Some cars, they don't want to accept no programming. Whatever in the memory is there.
But that would tell you, right? I don't think there's no wires are disconnected, because I think when you did the diagnostic thing, it would have came up on the diagnostic test. Hey, this isn't. You know what I mean?
It showed me two, but this is why I tried to.
It showed you two keys,
Said,
right?
No. It showed me two problems. Like, okay, the key is not programmed. You run a programming, but the key is not programmed. Possible cause could be the key is not good. So I cut one key. I cut another key, which I put here, regular key now. I'm trying to take this one. If this key work, that means my key is no good. The remote one is no good. So at least we have another key with no remote. But if it doesn't work, that means something else. 2, 3 key will never be bad. You got it?
Yeah.
The diagnostic sometimes give you a hint, like something is no good, maybe this, maybe that. You know, like. If it's everything okay, it shouldn't say like success. It should fail when it's not good, but it should not tell me success. Okay, you say programming successful, turn the ignition off, and then when I go there I'm not able to do it, that means
Huh? Like an airplane back here.
Yeah, so what's your problem? What's your problem? Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, listen, I know. But I think I know this my secondary here. We have to check that. No. Where we put it? Where do we put it?
Because, listen, if the body work, we have to take the car.
Listen, there's a body work there. You cannot do the body work. So what's your problem then? So let's bring it down here.
No.
Let's bring it down here. What are you bringing free? There's something like free. I pay you. So what's your problem then? We are trying to find a street where you don't. What's your problem? Oh, okay. Hello?
Huh? Yeah.
They just think of their
and there is another way of saying that delete all the key, you know, like they call it parameter reset.
Yeah.
You delete all the key and then you added them, and when you delete it you must have 2 keys to edit them. But my question, okay, if we delete everything and was not able to take
yeah.
then we're stuck. That's why I don't want to do that one unless you understand. There is something called parameter reset. All key delete. And
Yeah.
right, okay, you go there, you delete it. You say, oh, I don't have no key. So can you take one? You say, I can't.
Yeah, well, if it doesn't take the key after you reset everything, obviously it's not that because there's room for another key. There's room.
6.
Yeah.
Yeah. 6
So
keys.
that's not the issue.
Yeah.
So
The issue is that my keys is not good.
because I think
Or my.
we'll find out if your key's good probably right here because if this one takes, obviously it's the remote one.
Yeah.
But
Good.
if this one doesn't take, what I think I'm gonna do is, if you don't mind, I'm gonna take, instead of taking stuff apart, I don't know if you guys have it here, Ford or my buddy Upstate has the computer that can plug in and find out exactly what's wrong with it.
This computer here that you see it here is the Ford computer. And I am a technical consultant. I'm fixing cars for mechanic shop, like tell them what they do, electrical, electronic. I have no problem. The only thing
This doesn't tell you then? This doesn't pick up what's wrong with it?
it can pick up what's wrong with it, but sometimes you have to go in and try to see why, this like. But the only thing I want to tell you is that let's finish this one. If it's taking it, okay. If it don't take, then we can figure out what's the next step.
Yeah.
You want to take the boss key with you and take it to your friend there and let him spend some time while you are there.
Yeah.
And then if it's not, then we take it from there.
Yeah, because
If it doesn't,
this
we take
this
it.
should
Just one
this
minute,
should
1
tell
minute.
you exactly.
I'm doing. Yeah, we can do that after. Now he said, look here now. He said, in progress, right?
Yeah.
Operation in progress. When it's finished, the tick come out. I'm gonna come to the tick. Security access guarantee, right? I'm gonna click OK. All this is options. Parameter reset, program additional key, ignition key code erase. If you do this one, you must have 2 keys. If you do this one, you must have 2 keys. I just say added additional key. Program additional key, right? I click OK. We say place an unprogrammed key into the. Say click OK.
Maybe we
Hold
should
on.
turn it back.
You see, no. You see now he said programming is what?
It's been successful.
Successful. Okay. This operation has been successful. Do you want to program another key? I say no. Okay. Do you want to go back to part? No. Now it's done. The job is done. This way here, the car is supposed take the ignition out, wait a little bit, you open it. You see it's supposed to go right away start. It's supposed to start no matter what. You take the key, you put it back, it's supposed to start. Now, let's see, we're gonna run the diagnostic, okay? Self-test. Self-test. All car. Let's see what's going on. Whether it's a history or he's gonna run it now. You have your phone. We can take some pictures of the codes that is coming. You see everything passing in the car, ABS, but get here, when you go back here down, you see here on the, this is driver mirror, we don't have no problem with that. You see at some time since last clear path, key was, key U was not programmed for the module. Possible cause, part transceiver incorrect key code from the ignition key transponder. Suspect non-programmed key being used. This may be a code when we put the key inside. Okay, no addition. Okay. Previously list code was not learned by the key. You see at this time the parts module code was not learned by the key. Also one code. And again I have another code here also. This is the compass. We have no problem with the compass. And then also the theft detent. Like the key, the car is immobilized because we put another key. That's what the thing that I can tell you. But I don't see any reason for the car doesn't accept those codes. Give me a picture to take those pictures, and I can give you both key, both of them, and then you can go to your friend and have some. You understand? Have some of idea before we take any decision. You understand? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna give you both keys.
Okay.
Go with it. Give it to him. Let him spend some time. Create some test plan. Update me with anything that's possible. If I don't believe 2 keys can go back. This is maybe 4 keys. I cut it. I tried to add it on.
Yeah, there's no way that there's 4 keys that are bad.
Yeah. So why? And
If it was bad, the cut was bad or something. Yeah, especially for this one. This isn't even a remote entry.
Yeah.
This shouldn't need. There's something. I'm gonna send it to him right now.
Yeah.
But
Call
if
him,
you can't
just-
figure it out, can you figure it out?
No, if I have to figure it out, I may have to start opening all this stuff and sit down, and we don't know where we're gonna finish. I have no problem that to have the car with me and fix it, but we don't know. My schedule with you right now is the time right frame is just now. I don't want to keep you or keep the car right now, and I have other people waiting for me
Okay.
to do some other job. If you're going to him, ask him. We need now to narrow down our problem. If a key issue, we have keys. If a module issue, I can get a module to program it. But we need to have which direction we're gonna go.
Well, if you have to change the module, that means you gotta have another key made, 2 of them.
No,
Right?
those key work.
This one won't work with that new
No,
module.
it work.
It work?
It work with the new module, but we're not gonna say the module is bad.
I'm gonna find out for her.
Yeah, tell us what it is and give it all this information, and we
Okay.
can take it from there.